When it comes to building strong bones, there are two key nutrients, calcium and vitamin D. Calcium supports your bones and teeth structure, while vitamin D improves calcium absorption and bone growth. These nutrients are important early in life, but they may also help as you age. Get these nutrients by trying these 11 foods for healthy bones. 1. Yogurt. Regular consumption of dairy products are part of the diet recommendation preserving healthy bones. But, studies shows that the consumption of fermented milk products such as yogurt is linked with healthy growth of bones for the youngest and reduced bone loss and lower risk of broken bones in seniors. The yogurt brings high concentrations of bone promoting vitamins and minerals that have been associated with reduced frailty. It also contains proteins, bioactive peptides, and live bacteria that may contribute to maintaining healthy bones and muscles during aging. Indeed, yogurt contains live-active lactic acid bacteria, which may benefit bone health by modifying the gut microbiota and increasing intestinal calcium absorption. 2. Milk. It's a fact humans need calcium and vitamin D to build strong bones. And drinking milk that's fortified with vitamin D is an easy way to get those nutrients. As such, milk contains valuable nutrients that help support a growing body, including calcium and protein. Cow's milk helps baby cows grow fast. So it makes sense that cow's milk can aid muscle growth. Cow's milk is a rich source of high-quality protein, containing all essential amino acids. Whole milk is also a rich source of energy in the form of saturated fat, which can prevent muscle mass from being used for energy. Low-fat milk can provide the benefits of milk while supplying less fat. 3. Cheese. Cheese is the best dietary source for calcium. The most abundant mineral in the body, calcium is a necessity for life. It regulates vascular function, nerve transmission, muscle function, and hormone secretion. While only 1% of the calcium in the body is necessary for these functions, the other 99% is stored in the bones. Cheese is the best way, without supplementation, to receive your recommended daily intake of calcium. 4. Sardines. Sardines are probably not at the top of many best-tasting foods lists. However, that does not mean you should not consider making sardines a regular part of your diet. In fact, it turns out sardines are actually quite healthy for you. Sardines are also a great source of calcium. Calcium is extremely important because 99% of the body's calcium is stored in the bones and teeth. Just 2 ounces of sardines contains 217 milligrams of calcium. 5. Eggs. Eggs are one of the few foods that contain vitamin D, which is a vital partner to calcium when building healthy bones. Phosphorus and calcium make up the mineral structure of bones. Both are needed in adequate amounts to build healthy bones. 1 egg provides 15% of the daily value of phosphorus. As part of a healthy diet including calcium-rich foods, eggs can help promote healthy bone growth and maintenance. Why do eggs help? It's likely the vitamin D content. Vitamin D helps increase the absorption of calcium. And while the mighty egg doesn't contain calcium, It is packed with vitamin D to ultimately build stronger bones. 6. Salmon. Salmon is known for having plenty of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. But a 3-ounce piece of sockeye salmon contains more than 100% of your vitamin D. So eat up for your heart and your bones. This vitamin is essential for bone health because it helps increase calcium absorption. Getting enough calcium and vitamin D helps with bone building. Choose canned salmon with the bones to increase the amount of both calcium and vitamin D. Salmon, sockeye, red, canned, cooked or raw contains approximately 400 to 600 IU of vitamin D in a 2.5-ounce serving. There is also approximately 200 milligrams of calcium in the same portion. 7. Spinach. Spinach contains approximately 250 milligrams of calcium per cup. However, it is less easily absorbed than calcium obtained from dairy sources. Spinach has a high oxalate content, which binds to calcium. This makes it difficult for our bodies to use. Spinach contains an antioxidant known as alpha-lipoic acid, which has been shown to lower glucose levels, increase insulin sensitivity, and prevent oxidative, stress-induced changes in patients with diabetes. Low intakes of vitamin K have been associated with a higher risk of bone fracture. Adequate vitamin K consumption is important for good health, as it acts as a modifier of bone matrix proteins, improves calcium absorption, and may reduce the amount of calcium that leaves the body in urine. 8. Almonds. Almonds also help the body absorb other nutrients, so calcium from other dietary sources will be absorbed more effectively. Calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium together in sufficient amounts will ensure that your bones and teeth stay strong and healthy long into your life. You will be less likely to develop cavities, broken bones, or teeth yellowing. 1 handful of almonds, about an ounce, contains 75 milligrams of calcium, as well as potassium and protein. Adding this nutrient-dense nut to yogurt or a salad, or switching from peanut butter to almond butter for sandwiches and smoothies, can help support a bone health diet. 9. Collard greens. A low intake of vitamin K can increase the risk of osteoporosis and bone fracture. Vitamin K acts as a modifier of bone matrix proteins. It improves calcium absorption, and it may reduce urinary excretion of calcium. 1 cup of boiled collard greens provides 770 micrograms of vitamin K. Calcium from leafy greens like collards is actually more easily absorbed by the body than calcium from dairy products. Kale has calcium, too, so you get even more benefit from your kale smoothie than you thought. 10. Figs. They might not be vegan, but figs are a sweet and chewy treat. You can cook with them, eat them dried, or just snack on them raw. They're also beneficial for your bones. 5 medium-sized dried figs contain double the calcium and 5 times the magnesium of a cup of cooked kale. Magnesium improves the firmness of bones and is necessary for converting vitamin D into an active form. 11. Brussels sprouts. Vitamin K is abundant in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts. The essential vitamin is necessary for the mineralization and strengthening of bones. One serving of Brussels sprouts contains more than 200% of your recommended daily intake of vitamin K. So in order to give your bones the strength they need, these critical nutrients need to come from the right sources. Thanks for watching.